Passenger head, driver head. Probably change out all my lifters. Pistons dirty. This one got a lot of rust in it for some reason. The heads are, the pistons are actually pretty straight. Just a lot of carbon. So definitely need to take this thing to get clean. Probably do the heads first, come back and do the block. Now I want to make sure the crank is all good and everything. So probably gonna pull this motor right back out and make sure the lower end of the block is A1. That's my next step. Stay tuned, follow the build while we put this 73 Caprice Dodge Viper together.
Come here.
Oh, you don't want me to hold?
Hold for a minute.
Hey, Wendy, how far you want him to go, yeah? Yo. Hey, Wendy, how far you want him to move up?
Turn them over.
Keep going up, Doug.
Hold on. Down right there. That's all you all right, bro.
You say that, but not them letters and them bonds. Shit, I get them all the time. Oh, shit. Uh-oh.
And that that goddamn oil dripping like shit.
Alright.
Dub gonna kick y'all ass.
What's up? Oh.
And it ain't looking on that hole.
That's what I just said.
Oh.
Hey,
Let it go. All right, let's get the grease up. What you got?
I'm gonna have to find something, get that mat. I'm gonna have to clean that shit up.
All right, so do we need to balance it and put this right here?
It was, and it just
Hey, you talking about that right there? Rob?
Yeah, that.
Because he ain't clamped. You gotta run it through.
Yeah, right.
When you know you.
No, but I would put it on the car. I gotta put it on even.
I understand.
Okay.
All right, so now you can move.
Slide.
So now you can move.
Yeah. Right down, somebody. See, I don't like them up in here. You drop people's motors, I'll be live. I like them to see that. Look, see what hold, come here.
Yeah, it ain't gonna
I
hold.
already know. I see it. I just need it in the truck.
I see it.
I see it.
Yeah.
I want y'all to see what
He
I
said
did.
this.
What I
Kick his
did,
ass,
what I
ain't
did.
Funny shit.
And look, can we have one night?
Come
My birthday Friday.
Oh, we still. Oh yeah, look. So
My birthday Friday. I wouldn't take where the happiness at.
we still gonna need your help either way.
I don't even want to be home.
Look, we still gonna need your help either way.
Yeah, I'm going.
Cause I was just thinking we gotta push it in the fucking
Yeah.
shop.
Man, this shit looks so goddamn
I can put
big
it
from
on the
this
engine
camera.
stand.
Look at
I
this
ain't-
shit.
Dub, you going straight home?
No.
Where you going?
You can go put it on the engine stand.
Why
Yeah.
do you-
I need
do
some
you
footage.
rush me? Little fucker.
You can put it on there.
I'm a moly big as hell. Yeah. I'm going
I'll
top
put
golf.
it on.
You gotta go top golf? I'm going top
I
golf.
ain't going to Top Golf either.
Call him still back. I don't give a fucking name, man.
That ain't working. I thought it was. Alright.
Yeah.
Let him
Your
slack
phone,
it
your
again.
phone, Wendy.
Hey, did
It's
he
probably a
answer?
scam. It's a scam.
Nah, he said
Slack
he
it
said his
again.
phone dying.
Slack it again.
Wendy, your
Oh,
phone
for
ring.
sure, for sure.
Huh?
Your phone was just ringing up.
I'm gonna do it this way. Alright, there we go. Now do it.
You don't know me. I go George right now. Oh, yeah, I go any fucking way. Let us stop for a little while. Let us stop for a little while. Hello.
That's where I wanted it, right there.
I was trying to
Hey.
get my damn driver license
Now I'm
since
about to put some
July.
on this side.
$500. Why can I say well $500 if I was a good woman? Huh? She would help.
I see it. It's pumping.
That's the one that had all the rust in it.
Raw
remember?
in it. That mother look brand new now. Mud shining.
I ain't finished with it yet. I'm just getting started.